So when Satoshi Nakamoto released Bitcoin, he released it in '09, right in the middle of the housing crisis and the great financial crisis. He knew what he was doing, and he knew exactly what he was saying. He was saying the system is broken. Bailouts for corporations that are too big to fail are a major problem and a feature, not a bug, of the current fiat system and debt-based system that we're in. So Bitcoin was designed to essentially become a viral source of money. Now, by viral, I don't mean it just gains massive celebrity popularity. What I mean by viral is it's under the radar, so to speak, of a physical asset. It can't be stopped in the sense that you cannot stop the internet. So it's physical money can be manipulated, right? A house itself can be burned down. So you can cause trouble to that as an asset. Bitcoin cannot be stopped in the sense that you would have to shut down every node on the internet worldwide and keep it shut down. So if you could shut down the internet, you can shut down Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a durability to it. And so with its particular features of scarcity, portability, durability, divisibility, recognizability, it's designed to be to be a different asset than any other asset that has ever come before it, and to essentially replace money. And we need to define money, but it's essentially to replace fiat money and a system that has never really worked well for the past 5,000 to 6,000 years.
Wow. And so that historical background